How to import products from AliExpress to Shopify. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser and go to shopify.com. Then simply log into your Shopify account. Once done, go to the search bar in here, click on it, and go to apps. Once you've clicked on apps, you can see Deezer's AliExpress drop shipping in here, which I have already installed here in my Shopify. And what you need to do is to go to recommended apps if you don't have Deezer's yet. Now go to your Shopify App Store, and then it will route you to a separate page. Search in Deezer's in the search bar of your Shopify App Store. All right. So let's go and select Deezer's. Now, as you can see, we have Deezer's in here. If you don't have the app yet, so add the app. But as for me, I will just simply open my Deezer's app. Now, it will automatically route you to your Deezer's page. And as you can see, we have a platform that looks like AliExpress as well. Just choose the item that you would like to import. So say for example, I'm going to import this product. Now, if I click on this one, I will be routed to its page. Now, you can simply copy and paste the URL here in Supplier Optimizer in our Deezer's app. Now, let's search on it. Let's wait for it to upload and analyze. Once it has analyzed, you can see that our product is in the section, and you can simply click on Add to Import List here beside the star. And there you have it. Go to your import list to check. Now in your import list, we can see our product in here. Simply click on this pencil icon if you want to edit the product, and you can actually type in and edit all the information that we have in here. And push to Shopify and simply save. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.